vegetable stew. Usually you might have heard about potato stew and all. The same style, vegetable stew. The procedure is one and the same like potato stew itself. It's to some extent a typical item of Kerala. Now let us see what all ingredients we need for the same. This particular stew is usually consumed along with rice as well as chapathis or naan or bhatura or poori and all. Now let us see the ingredients. Here I have taken around 100 grams, 50 grams of coconut milk powder, little coconut oil, little curry leaves, little ginger pieces, little green chilli, little garlic, salt to taste, and cooked potatoes mashed, plus little onion, carrot, cabbage. You can add more items, more vegetable items like butter beans, then cauliflower, etc. and all, green peas, etc. I have added these 3 items plus 2 tomatoes. Now let us see how to prepare the same. Green chilli, ripe green chilli. Next, this ginger. Next, this curry leaves. Next, this salt. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes. Now towards this we'll add this vegetable. We'll add little more water towards it. Now wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. I am going to add this boiled potato, smashed boiled potato, tomatoes, which is cut into pieces. Now we'll wait for another 5 minutes so that everything gets cooked up properly. Smash it with a smasher like this for just 1 minute. I am switching off the gas. Now we'll add this coconut milk. Yes, now we'll season it with coconut oil and garlic. If you want, you can add little elaki or patta and all, but I have not done it. It's yet another style of stew. I'll be showing in my next recipe. If you are happy about my recipes, please pass on to your friends and relatives. Like that, let my subscribers increase. So nice to be with you. Thank you.